Whether you want to emphasize the importance of the content, define the structure of your page, and improve on-page SEO analysis data, that's where anchor links come into play. My name is Lisa, and welcome to Learn with GemPages. In this video, we're going to learn how to create anchor links that conveniently take you down to another section of the page. You can use the timestamps listed to navigate this video. Let's get into it. For button elements, start on the GemPages editor page and locate the section you want to. So we will choose the row element of this section. Right-click on the element and then click Edit Code. In the pop-up window, copy the section ID and choose Save. Now you've got the section ID. Say we want customers to be redirected to this beautiful section after hitting the button on the hero banner. Click the button element. On the left sidebar under Edit Link, replace the current ID with the section ID you've got earlier. Finally, you just need to hit Publish and see the outcome on the live page. You can apply the same technique for the hero banner and image elements. For text-based elements, now we're going to make it work for text-based elements. First, highlight the text you want to hyperlink. Let's say we want customers to be redirected to the product bundle section when they click on the sentence, "Get our best treatment for you." As the action panel appears, select the chain icon and a custom URL field will pop up. Paste the section ID you've just got earlier and hit the Enter button. Don't forget to hit Save to preserve your work. If you have further questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And give it a thumbs up. That helps the video be seen by other people. Make sure you've subscribed and hit the notification bell, then you won't miss out on any future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!